All right, so I've found 15 of the most profitable business ideas with low competition, and the best thing is, most of these don't require much money to start up, and they're relatively easy to get started. In general, they don't require you to have a lot of skills. So, the first one on the list is senior proofing. Aging is inevitable, but making your living space senior-friendly doesn't have to be a headache. Basically, this involves modifying homes to make them safer for seniors living in them. This could be something like adding guardrails to a staircase, or even having an elevator that takes seniors up the staircase. It could also include something as simple as having something they can hold on to when they're taking a shower, or making sure there aren't a lot of things they might trip on. By the way, the U.S. centenarian population is projected to quadruple over the next 30 years, meaning there will be over 4 times as many people reaching the age of 100 years old during that time. Senior proofing projects typically make between $500 and $5,000 per project, and there are a lot of projects available. So, yeah, this is a good one. I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. By the way, if you appreciate me and my team spending literally hundreds of hours making these types of videos, go ahead and let us know by gently tapping that like button. Now, let's move on to the next one on the list, which is baby proofing. This is basically the opposite of senior proofing, but it's really good money as well. This involves creating a safe environment for infants and toddlers. This is actually a $6.2 billion market and involves things like making sure kids can't access the medicine cabinet or other hazardous areas. One multi-million-dollar baby-proofing company, babyprooferplus.com, has baby-proofed 18,000 homes. There's a ton of opportunity here, and typically you can make between $50 to $100 an hour doing these types of projects. The cost to baby-proof a 2-bedroom home is usually $250 to $780 initially. This one obviously doesn't require a college degree or previous experience to get started, and yeah, this one is pretty good. I'll go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. What's up, guys? So, I'm sitting here in the editing process, and I realized that I actually have a live stream coming up. It's basically going to be like a workshop, a Zoom workshop. You're going to be in a call with me, and I'm going to be teaching you how to grow and monetize YouTube. I'm going to be revealing the 5 biggest secrets that I have when it comes to growing and monetizing YouTube, and then, on top of that, I'm going to be answering any questions you have about starting a successful YouTube channel. So, that's going to be at 8 p.m. on Tuesday Eastern Daylight Time. Make sure you double check the time because the time zone change is happening soon. So, Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, 8 p.m. Definitely check it out. Don't want to miss it. I'll see you there. Next is going to be stump removal. This is where you remove stumps that come from trees and cater to homeowners, landscapers, and property developers. This is technically a type of landscaping business, although it's highly specialized. People typically pay anywhere from $300 to $1,000 to get a stump removed. So yeah, this is another niche business idea where you can make real good money with it. You can either do it as a side hustle or turn it into a full-time business. I'm going to go ahead and give this one a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be a home energy auditor, where they assess residential energy usage for areas of improvement and efficiency. This business operates in the energy conservation industry and can offer services independently, collaborate with local utilities, or even partner with a construction company. Not only is this good for the environment, but it also saves money for homeowners or business owners who get the audit conducted. The average home energy audit costs about $425, and you can make additional money by referring them to install certain energy-saving measures. So this is a really good one. I'll go ahead and give it a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is choosing a profitable niche on YouTube. Many people try to start YouTube channels, but they often choose unprofitable niches, for instance, gaming or vlog channels. However, there are many profitable micro-niches on YouTube where channels with less than 5,000 subscribers can make over 6 figures per month. It all depends on choosing the right niche that solves real problems for real people with real money. Education channels tend to be more profitable than entertainment channels. YouTube can be incredibly profitable, and there are channels making over $3 million a month. So this is a 10 out of 10 score. Oh, and by the way, I do actually train a few people per month. I offer my own mentoring and coaching to those dedicated to having success on YouTube. If you want to apply for that, you can click the link down in the description or the pinned comment below. Next is a bedbug removal specialist business. Bedbugs are a common issue in hotels, Airbnbs, and houses,
all of that
and
data
getting rid of
state
them
and
is
make
crucial
sense
for
of
maintaining
the
a good
data that
reputation.
they have. Much
The
higher
pest control
chances of
market is
getting
already
higher
$22
trends.
billion
You'll
and
see
expected
that
to
the
grow to
demand
$29
for
billion
Google
by
certification,
2026.
as well as
You
the
can charge
demand for
between
data
$300
analysts,
and
has truly
$5,000 for bedbug
skyrocketed over the
extermination
last couple of
services.
data points that every
So,
company works
this is a
with
very
has
profitable business
increased
opportunity, and
tremendously
I'll give
in
it a
the last
9.5 out
to
of 10
10, like
opportunity
you,
score.
who have the
Next on the
training
list is
and
home
all of
nurses
that
or home
data
care.
state and make
This
sense
involves
of the
providing
data
personalized
that they
healthcare
have, who
services to
wants to go
individuals
and
in the
get
comfort of
hired
their
and
own
find a
homes.
job. So all of
With the
that data
increasing number of
state and
households
make
in the United
sense of
States,
the
there's a
data that
growing
they have,
demand
who
for home
wants
care
to go
services.
and get
You can
hired
make a
and
ton of
find
money
a
in this
job. So
industry, with
everyone,
some
you can start
agencies
today
generating
on
revenue in the
Google's
tens of
web
millions.
certifications,
So,
as well
this
as
is
the
a really
demand
good
for
opportunity,
data
and I'll give it an
analysts has
8.5 out
truly
of 10 opportunity
skyrocketed
score.
over the last couple
Next
data
is
points that
concrete
every
removal.
company works
There's a
with
demand for
has
businesses that
increased
demolish and clear
tremendously
out
in the
old or
last
damaged
5
concrete
to 10,
structures
like
from
you,
driveways,
who have the
patios, and
training
more.
and all of that
The average
data
job for
state and
concrete
make
removal
sense
ranges
of
from
the data
$200
that
to
they have, who wants
$6,000,
to go
so
and
there's
get
potential
hired
for
and
good
find a
earnings.
job. So
This
all
one
of
gets
that
an 8
data
out of 10
state and make
opportunity
sense
score.
of the data
Next
that
is
they
a
have,
mobile
who
on-call
wants to
car
go and
mechanic.
get hired and
Mobile
find a
mechanics
job.
provide
So
convenience
everyone, you
by
can start
repairing
today
cars
on
in
Google's
customers'
web
driveways.
everyone, you can start today
Customers are
on
willing to pay a
Google's
premium
web
for this
trends. You'll
convenience,
see
making
that
it a
the
lucrative
demand for Google
opportunity.
certifications,
Services can
as
range
well
from
as the
simple oil
demand for
changes
data
to more
analysts,
complex
has
repairs,
truly
with potential
skyrocketed
earnings
over the
varying
last
widely.
couple of data points that
I'll give
every
this one
company
an 8
works
out of
with
10
has
opportunity score.
increased
Next is
tremendously
elevator
in the
repair
last
service.
5 to 10 years.
Elevators
Like
are
you,
essential
who
in many
have the
buildings,
training
and
and
repairing
all of
them
that
requires
data state and
specialized
make
knowledge and
sense of who
certification.
wants to go and
There's a
get
steady
hired
demand
and
for
find a
elevator repair
job. So
services,
everyone, you can
with
start
average
today
repair
on
costs ranging from
Google's web. For everyone,
$500
you
to
can start today
$1,000.
on Google's website.
However, specialized knowledge and certifications are required, so I'll give this one a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, we have carpet cleaning or rug cleaning. This is a service that many cleaning companies don't offer, creating a niche opportunity. You can make a full-time income from this business, with potential earnings of over $1,500 in a single day. This one gets a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Similarly, mattress cleaning and couch cleaning offer lucrative opportunities. These services require specialized equipment and skills, making them more profitable than traditional cleaning services. With potential earnings similar to carpet cleaning, they get an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is generator installation. With the increasing awareness of power outages, there's a growing demand for generator installation services. Customers are willing to pay between $2,500 and $5,000 for proper installation. This is a profitable market with steady demand, earning it a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Finally, we have a camping equipment rental business. Renting out tents for camping or events can generate substantial income, especially with the rising popularity of outdoor activities. This business can also be expanded to include renting tents on Airbnb. With potential earnings in the thousands, it gets a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Comment below if you like any of these niche business ideas or if there's one you'd like me to mention in the future. And don't forget to check out my video on the 21 dirty side hustles that no one is talking about. You can find the link right here.